am at Walmart and we are here to do some deals. There's some great deals that I am super excited for. Some repeaters, but I did receive, I'm at 81 rebates for the 140. I just received a $10 candy cane bonus where I need 42 rebates, so that's gonna happen. And then I also need 15 rebates for the Weekend Wonderland bonus for $5. So I'm definitely gonna get 15 rebates today. And then, yeah, so we're gonna see what else we can do, but you guys know the drill. Gonna go inside. I'm gonna take pictures of what I got with the coupons and everything, and then I'll have when I edit the videos, I have the coupon the picture, and then the app thing so you guys can see what it is. It's just easier for me, especially when I'm shopping with this thing right here. Say hi. No? Okay. It's faster if I can just do that. So I'm hoping to get in and out. Usually it takes us an hour and a half, even though I'm not filming, but let's go shopping. Hello everybody, welcome back. If it looks like I can't move, I can't. I've been having neck problems, and since I was shopping at Walmart, it was getting worse and worse and worse. So I can move my neck, but I get a very sharp pain in my back. I'm just waiting for the medicine to kick in. I put a heating pad on my back, but I got so much crap to do that I just don't have time to do it. So if you guys see me look like I'm in pain, I am. Okay, so I'm here to share with you guys my Walmart Ibotta haul. I'm just gonna grab one bag at a time and share with you guys. So here is an easy freebie and a money maker, depending on how you do this. So we have printable coupons for $3 off for these, or there is a freebie coupon that we got. So these are $2 and, where did I write this down? $2.38. So you can use that free coupon that we got in our inserts, and it will just take it $2.38 off. Or you can use a printable coupon for $3, making it a 62-cent moneymaker. So I did 2 printables, and then I just did 1 regular, so I couldn't pass that up in case you guys need to get some items. I feel like I've been looking forever for this, and then I forgot where it was, and again I forgot where it was. So this was $1.98. You'd pay $1.98 for this. But then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 98 cents for that, which is a pretty decent deal. And you also get points for fetch rewards, which I think is like 19 points that you get for that. Now here's a great deal for the Lysol wipes. These were $2.08. I used a 50-cent off insert, oh my back's killing me, 50-cent off insert coupon. You would end up paying $1.58, but then there is a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, and there is a 50-cent rebate with checkout 51, making this just 58 cents. If you don't do checkout 51, it comes out to be $1.08, which is still a pretty decent deal if you guys want to go ahead and do that. Now this Nivea bottle, the Nivea bottle seems very, very flexible. It is like, it says 58% less plastic. So if you guys would drop this, I'm afraid it might like pop really easily. But this was $5.94. I used a $2 off coupon that we have, that's a printable coupon. There's also a coupons.com coupon that you can use. Otherwise, we do have a 3 off a 2 and a $1 off insert coupon. But with the $2 off one, you'll pay $3.94. Then you'll get a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making this just $1.94. So if you guys need to get some of that, go for it. Okay, so I was scanning like all the swab that I could scan, and none of the cheaper ones were working, but this one was $2.94. You pay $2.94 for it, but then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making these just 94 cents if you guys need to go ahead and get some swab. I've been really into the Nourishing one. That's the one I've been liking a lot lately. So these look like they came back because when I bought these last week, the thing was going to end. So I ended up getting the Clorox wipes. These were 97 cents. These are in the travel section over in the personal items. You buy 2 of them, you pay $1.94. But then there is $1.75 off of 2, making these just 19 cents a piece. Or yeah, 19 cents together, or like 10 cents each. And there is 9 wet wipes in here, so these are perfect for like the car. However you guys need to go. I ended up getting the Daring food again. This was $5.94. You pay $5.94 for it, but then there is a $2.10 rebate with Ibotta, and then there is 700 kicks when you purchase the product through Shopkicks, which is $2.80. Now it doesn't look like I can buy it, but when I look at my receipts, like, you know, when you click the thing to submit your receipts, it's available for that. So I submitted my receipt. So this comes out to be just $1.04, and I don't know how many are in here, but in case you guys need some plant-based food. I ended up getting this Starbucks Nitro. Now in the past there was actually 2 rebates that were ringing up for it. This time there is not. So this was $3.28, you'd pay $3.28, but then there is a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta. And I also had a 10-cent cold brew rebate. So this comes out to be just $1.68. My store was sold out of the other one, otherwise I wanted to get that one too. But $1.68 for this. My husband really likes it. So that's 2 rebates right there if you have the any rebate. I ended up getting the Clean and Clear. This was $6.27. I used a $1.50 off printable coupon, paid $4.77 for it. You can submit a $3 rebate with Ibotta, making this just $1.77 if you guys need to go and do that. Sorry, I'm just gonna put some stuff back in my bag. So I ended up getting the CoverGirl makeup for $5.94 for this little thing right here. I used a $3 off insert coupon. You would pay, where did I write this? Where is my thing? You'd pay $2.94, but then you can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 94 cents. So we did have some printables for the lip, what I was gonna do, but when I needed it, the printable disappeared, so I didn't able to do that deal, but that would have been 94 cents with checkout 51. Okay, the next deal we got is the Hungry Jack potatoes. These were, I hear my mail lady. These were $2 and, where am I writing this down at? $2.78. I used a $1 off insert coupon. You submit a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta. Or you pay $1.78, you submit a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta. Sorry, I don't want to be flicking you guys off. Comes out to be just $1.03. So this is a great item right now if you guys need to donate some food to shelters, because you know people will take that like crazy. I got the Vans waffles. Now there's original and then there's blueberry. So these were each $2.97. It is a limit of 1 per rebate. There's 2 rebates for this, but there's a limit of 1 per rebate. So you gotta wait for this to reset to do this deal again, and then you get a bonus. But $2.97, you'd pay $2.97, but then there is a $1.50 rebate. Comes out to be just $1.47. So if it resets again, you want to buy 1 more, and you end up getting a $1 bonus. So $1.47 for what, 6 waffles. Gluten-free is the way to be if you guys want to go and do that. I ended up getting this Holland House cooking wine. Where's the other one? These were $2.30 for these. I ended up getting the red and the white. I asked the husband what he'd be interested in. There's also Marsala, and I can't remember the other flavor. But $2.30, you'd buy 2 of them, you'd pay $4.60, but then there's 300 swag bucks with swag bucks, which is $3 that you get back. So this comes out to be $1.60 or just 80 cents each if you guys need to get some cooking wine. Here's the other Starbucks item. I got the Cold and Crafted. This was $2.28. You'd pay $2.28. But then there's a 50-cent rebate for Ibotta. Why did I not write this price down? Seriously? It'd be like $147 or $140 something for this if you guys want to go ahead and do that. I got 1 more Fanta just because I wanted to finish this rebate. So this is $1.98. You'd pay $1.98 for it, but then you get a 25-cent rebate. And then when you purchase 3 different items, I don't know if it's 3 transactions, but if you purchase 3 of them, you get a 50-cent bonus. So either be $1.73 or $1.23 if you factor in that 50-cent bonus. So I got that. I got the Trident gum. I wish they would have bubble gum, but we ended up getting the spearmint. Now this was $1.12. You'll buy 2 of them. You'll end up paying $2.24. There is a rebate for $1.12 off of 2 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.12 or just 56 cents. Then I got the Tazo tea, so they got a new flavor. This was $1.68. You'd pay $1.68, but then there is a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, making this just 93 cents. My husband's been drinking that lately, so I got that for him. And then here's an easy freebie for you guys. So I ended up getting the Werther's Originals candies. These were $1.48. You'd buy 2 of them, you pay $2.96. But then with swag bucks, you get 300 points for purchasing 2 of them, which is $3. So this comes out to be a 4-cent moneymaker. You can do 2 receipts per week, so these end up becoming an 8-cent moneymaker if you want to go ahead and do that. So yeah, that was my haul. Wanted to share with you guys on that. Just putting everything away. So my total came to $54.39. With Ibotta, I received $22.82. With Swagbucks, I received $9.02. Shopkicks, I received 725 points, which is $2.90. Fetch Rewards, I received 674 points, which is 67 cents. Checkout 51, I received 50 cents. I finished the Weekend Warrior where I needed 15 rebates for $5. And then I also, Mommy. What are we doing here, kid? I also, so that was $5, and then I also, thank you. I also received the 50-cent cola or Coca-Cola Fanta bonus. So my grand total came to $12.98. I got 27 items at just 48 cents each. I have 98 rebates out of the 140, so I need 42 more rebates to do, and if I can do 20 in the next 2 weeks, that'd be awesome. And then there was a different bonus, and I need 42 rebates, and I have 17, so I just need 25 more rebates, and that deal ends like a couple days after Christmas, so I'm gonna really try to challenge myself to get that bonus for 10 bucks also. So that was my haul. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye.